What's up, you guys? Just got beats, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get the notes to show up on your keyboard in GarageBand for your iPad, your iPhone, etc., etc. So you're going to go into the settings, then you're going to click on your GarageBand icon in the settings, and there should be a keyboard note label that you guys will see. Make sure that's in the green, which means it's on, so that way the notes will show up on your keyboard. So now we're going to go ahead and get out of there. We're going to go into GarageBand, and I'm going to show you guys now the notes are showing on my keyboard, whereas before they weren't showing. So this just makes it easier if you're trying to learn how to play the keyboard. Let's say you want to start in a D sharp chord, but you don't know what other notes would go in that scale. So you can go ahead and Google that, D sharp scale, and it'll show you all the notes in there, and it'll make it easier for you to play them. That way you can learn as you're going along. And you should learn how to play an instrument, I feel like. Or you can go the easy route and click on the two notes right there that are highlighted in red, and you can click on those scales, and the notes will still show up there as long as the keyboard note label is on. And that way you can use those scales as well to play chords, to make it easier for you. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do this quick tutorial because people were asking me how I got the notes to show up on my keyboard. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below, message me, and if this was helpful, please go ahead and rate and subscribe. Thank you.